Hey girlfriends, welcome back to Siani's Hair Run. Today is another hair video. Today I'm going to be going from curly to straight to curly. These are the two tools that I'm going to be using today. I have my Tymo flat iron and these curlers. So how I'm going to be achieving this challenge today, my hair is already curly from an old wash and go, and then you'll see. Watch how I rock these tight curls to long and silky curls. Alright guys, my hair is all blowed out. Now we are going to flat iron it. So I have my Tymo straightener. Last time I said I was going to straighten it and I didn't do it because I was a little scared. But I think I'm ready now because I've learned how to do a lot of things. So my mom is going to be doing the back and I'm going to do the front. Guys, off camera I went in the mirror and I did this little piece and I went all the way up to my roots and I actually did pretty good. I'm surprised I got like all the way up my roots. That is surprising, isn't it?
Alright guys, so as Siani said, we are going to go ahead and straighten her hair today, and then afterwards we are going to use this satin curler to give her some long, flowy, kind of a loose curl. So that is what we'll be using at the end after I go ahead and finish straightening her hair. Let me go ahead and twist the left side up because I'm going to be working on the right side. So much hair. Let's see, make sure I have my middle part. Get this out the way. So I have the left side clipped up. I'm going to be working on the right side, starting from the back and working my way to the front. And I'm just going to be sectioning it off with my fingers. So let me show you. Just with my fingers, just like that. I'm going to clip the rest of it up, out the way. Alright, so let me go ahead and get my glove on and then we're going to get started. Alright, so here is the Tymo glove. Here is the straightener. I am using medium heat today. If you can see it, it has 5 little dots on here and I have it on the midway point right there. So that's what I'm going to be using for her hair today. It should be too hot. We don't want to put too much heat in your hair.
Because it has been pretty hot here.
Yeah, so pretty much the weather is starting to change. So this will probably be the last time we straighten Siani hair this year. She may get one more time. Stop, this is falling. Just depending on the weather. Obviously in the warmer weathers, we're not going to keep putting heat in her hair because it's not going to last. And she's going to be outside playing and it's just going to frizz up and get all sweaty. So we'll see how long this lasts. The weather right now is about 60, 65. But it is supposed to warm up later this week. So we'll see. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm just going to be passing through her hair one time today. So this should move fairly quickly and see what our results are. I'm starting from as close to the roots as possible as I can get, holding the hair with my opposite hand and using my right hand to slowly slide through. I'm gripping the hair with my other hand to help pull it through, and that is what we're looking like.
First piece down, 99 more to go. I'm kidding.
Alright, we're going to keep moving our way through the hair. Unclip that. Start with my fingers. Flip this back up and begin to slide through. Nice and slow. If I feel like it's starting to pull too much, I just take the hair, hold and grip, finish going through the ends. Just like that. And we'll keep moving right along. Nice and slow, as close to the roots as possible, but not actually touching her scalp. Alright, we are almost done with the back part. I have 2 more pieces.
Oh,
Sorry.
that was quick.
Yep.
How many do I have to do in the front?
It's up to you. How many you want to do?
You know how many is right here?
I don't know off the top of my head. You gotta wait to see when you split the hair apart. Pass through that one again since the hair was slightly tangled. Just on the ends. Just like that. Alright, so the back of the hair is all nice and straight. Now Siani is going to attempt to do the front of her hair herself.
Now I'm going to be flat ironing my hair. I stopped in the middle. Can I go over it again?
That's the last time that you didn't get any of the bangs in there.
I didn't? I didn't get any of the ends.
You can't keep going over that piece.
I didn't get the ends though.
Go ahead, I'm just saying you already went over it twice though. So you have to go slowly because that piece is still a little frizzy, but you don't want to go back through that piece again.
The second piece was a little bit more of a success. So like this one is shorter than that one.
You have to go slowly so those ends don't be frizzy like that. So you're moving it too fast. Slow down, slow. There you go.
That one's like the straightest out of all.
Yeah, because you went slower on that one.
Okay, now my mom's gonna give me my next piece.
Now take your hand that has the glove on it and hold the top of your hair and pull through slowly.
I know that wasn't slowly.
Slow fast. Alright, do your next piece.
This is my last piece. That one touched my scalp a little bit.
Be careful, go slow.
Okay, this is the completed side. This time at the end you will not be cutting. Dead ends. You'll never be cutting my hair.
I'm gonna take you to a professional for your trim. I'm gonna take you to a professional for your trim.
I don't want my hair being cut at all.
It has to be cut to stay healthy. It's not necessarily cut, it's just a trim. It's just taking off any little split ends or dead ends or anything like that.
Alright guys, this is the final look. Now we're going to be doing this side off camera.
Alright guys, so we have finished straightening both sides of her hair. These are the results. Alright, so all I'm going to do is split her hair into two sides. Alright, so I have the hair separated on both sides. And here is our curl ribbon.
I take it out.
Alright, go ahead and take that out the box. Okay, so this is the curl ribbon and then it comes with what?
Some scrunchies.
Comes with two scrunchies to hold the ends.
Now I'm going to put this on my head and hold it down with this clip.
To the front, a little bit like right there, yeah. So let me fix this. Alright, so sitting this across the middle of her head. Go ahead and clip that on. And then I'm going to start twisting this side down. All of the hair that I have on this side. So I'm taking a little bit. So I'm going to take, twist, and add. Twist, and add. I'm just going to wrap this around all the way to the end. Now we're slide the scrunchie on the ends right here. Actually, I'm going to fold this up first and then I'll put the scrunchie on. Alright, so I got that side all twisted up, so I'm going to remove the clip and then I'm going to twist that side down. So I'm grabbing the hair, twisting, adding, twist, add, and I'm gonna split this into two, do two more twist arounds. And last piece, add that and wrap it back around. Then I'm gonna fold this up and put the scrunchie on.
Alright guys, I got this one big curler in. Now I'm gonna go to sleep with them in and see how they look in the morning. Good night. Alright guys, it's the next morning. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. So I already got the scrunchie off and I'm just gonna unravel it and see how these curls are looking. Now the other side. Alright guys, so here's the curls. Now I'm going to pull them apart a little bit.
Just gonna pull them apart slightly. So we got some nice fluffy loose curls going on.
And now I have the headband on. And this is the final look. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And follow me on all social media. Comment down below if you like this style. Bye, girlfriends!